Breaking news: Peru. A disruption in gas infrastructure in Qatar might seem like a distant geopolitical event. But for economies like Peru, the transmission channels are immediate. Energy markets are the first to react. Any uncertainty in supply pushes oil prices upward. For Peru, which relies on imported fuel, this translates into higher domestic fuel costs, increased transportation expenses, and gradual pressure on food prices. However, the implications extend beyond energy. Natural gas processing is a key source of helium, an input with no scalable substitute in semiconductor manufacturing. Constraints in helium supply can tighten production capacity for chips, increasing costs across electronics and medical equipment globally. Peru does not participate in that production chain. It is structurally positioned as an importer. At the same time, domestic trends show growing technological adoption. Robotics is expanding across sectors such as education, mining, and services. This reflects integration into global technological systems, but not control over them. In parallel, the country is seeing sustained growth in data center infrastructure. These facilities are critical for digital operations, yet they require high and constant consumption of electricity and water. Current expansion is occurring with limited regulatory clarity, particularly in environmental oversight. This dynamic intersects with emerging climate conditions. Forecasts indicate that a new episode of El Niño Costero will bring above-average temperatures, increasing stress on water availability and energy demand. Taken together, these factors highlight a structural pattern: external shocks, dependence on imported technology, and domestic resource pressures. For Peru, the issue is not the origin of these disruptions, but the degree of resilience in responding to them. In an interconnected system, external volatility is not isolated. It is transmitted. For more information, follow us.